can't use it.
Oh, you can buy the end. Yeah. Like that's a candy. It's called tarugo. Tamarind.
Called tarugo?
Tarugo.
Tarugo? I'm eating tarugo right now.
What is for you?
Tarugo.
Oh my god, you have a lot of words for that.
So, I just ate the tip of tarugo. You can probably stop the tarugo.
Huh?
I don't know why I got this. I just want something to try something else. They have lime like a
Extra.
barbecue. That's how you eat tarugo, huh? Tarugo. Man, I never thought I liked tarugo.
First time.
So you've been eating tarugo since you're young?
Oh no!
Technique.
Eat it.
Okay. I make a little piece. Oh wow, it's so warm. Okay, a little piece.
We're gonna put everything in one bite.
One at a time. You said one bite? Wow.
Mexican we eat a little with our hands, so.
Naging si Loren nung nakarapan, nung bago magundas.
Yan. Load.
Yung nilalaro ko na ni Kiko
Kakamis.
na Corano.
Tsaka matamis na sauce.
Okay,
Para
lagyan
sauce.
natin ng 35 na gulong. Tabasin natin yung ganito. Tabasin natin yung ganito talaga.
Yan yung parang probe.
Chicharong bulaklak.
Probe?
Merong chicken skin, tapos merong chicharong bulaklak. Kaya ganito pala daw, pag mas mabilog, balot sa puti. So, mas konti ang...
Kite, mas maliit. Pero kapag mas mahaba, malapad, mas malaki dito.
Okay.
Protein niya.
Puti. Iyan o.
Ay! Naka-video ba yan?
So, yung mga nanonood, ayaw mo na di-discuss kami, okay lang. Wala. Lagi nagdadala ng Mexican food, so this time we're gonna have her try safe one, adobo chicken. But you already had adobo chicken. Okay. Side first. So, but you usually put a touch of this, and then you eat rice, and then eat it together. You know on those rivers? That's what you...
He learned from
How do you like adobo? Do you guys have something like that? Like adobo?
We have adobo, but it's another thing.
It's so different, right? It's the same. Put it on rice and then eat it like that.
Why? Now you're such a collector. Throw it away.
Okra. You never had okra? Wow. Wala pala okra sa Mexico. Adobong balot. Sarap ah. Iba talaga ang sisig ang
Ano ba yun? Balot? Yung balot. Meron? Meron.
Wala ubis na. I mean,
sabi.
di pa ulit siya na rin.
Sobrang malasa. Ito may kalabaw na tosino. First time ko pala makakatry ito. Sa atin wala no? Sa itong balot. Sarap.
Kilala niya. Kilala niya yung nasa likod. Sino yung kakabag?
You know. Grabe.
Balik ka pa. San Fernando.
Sabi, siguro mga 5 minutes na kami kumakain. So, kalahati na sa akin. Pero sa kanya, konti lang kinuha ko yun. Konti lang, konti. Konti lang.
po, may pag-ibig kay Prince.
Princess.
Si Prince, may pag-ibig kay Princess.
Yun. Ala ba? Pag si Prince tumalong, kailangan tumalong ka rin, Glenn, ha? Itong talon na to po ay para kay Princess, no? Ha? Hindi magmagalaw eh. Wala. Paano ka mabibidyoan nito? Ganyan yung kapit mo. Ay muna! Oh, alone. 1, 2, alone. Yeah! Para kay Princess! Korean. Oh my God. Chinese, kuya. No Chinese. Only Ilocano.
Tulungan mo naman kami, oh. Masakit na yung ilong namin.
English. No. Yeah, Xiong pala. I only know Chong Pela. Oh my God. Si Jeff baka marunong mag-ano. Wala ba? Paano mag-ano? Wala ba? Hindi marunong maging Ilocano. Comes in before like an appetizer kind of stuff. It's like hot cake in the Philippines. Try this authentic pork chop. Oh my God, it's so good. It is really good. Oh my God. Try natin yung lengua.
Me falta la sopa verde.
It's like a caldereta for us. That's what it tastes like.
Me lo dieron con cebolla.
Then we have put some onions.
Dale.
Right? That's how it is.
Or you can put all the
Oh, I could just put it on the plate. I'm making it hard for myself. I don't know why.
limón.
So good. Sweet and sour pork. Medyo sweet siya na sour. Okay nga. Yeah, Serena got that. Like a ceviche.
Yeah, they're gonna ceviche.
I feel bad because they're asking me if I can eat spicy and I can't. So they're probably gonna make me a little one. So yung kinilaw natin parang ganito rin sa kanila.
Pero mejor sabor que los camarones.
So this is the right way to eat it. You put
Ahí está la coca en el computador. Like always.
yeah. And then
Ahí voy. Oye, el cine como que tenía días que no había probado el...
¿Cuál? ¿La cerveza? Pues duró una semana sin tomar.
Pues se da malo, por eso.
and then you put
Cosa
balik dun.
insólita pero cierta. Como que no sale buena la pimienta, ¿no?
So cool. All we need is a beer. Yeah, I'll pay you for when it's lower. All right, we made it. Is that Yeah, this is like a private beach. No one here now. Wow, I wish we had a boogie board over here. I wish we had a boogie board. Alex spot. Sarap dito, pwede kang mag-body surf. Mihintay na lang namin yung sunset. Look at that sunset. Woo! Wow. Got some oysters. Yes. 200?
200 for free. But
200 for 3?
I mean,
Yeah.
in a bag.
Oysters.
Gracias.
The breast of the chicken and the lettuce. How do you say it?
Lechuga.
Chugas.
Lechugas.
Chuga only, right? No S.
Yeah, lechuga.
Lechuga. Finished it. Yan. Carrots. Red onion.
For me, it's purple. Wait.
Purple.
No, it's red. Actually, it's red.
People call it red, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put that.
Yeah. Oh, grabe.
After 3 hours.
After 3 hours. Everything she cooks is like from scratch and fresh. The good thing about this dish is it's a perfect combination of carbs, some good fats because avocado, and then there's vegetables, complex carbs, and then protein. So nothing is fried. There's no like bad fats saturated. Wow, I mean, I can eat this all day and be healthy.
And the lime.
Okay.
I like to do this because
Yeah, you like to finger it first before you eat it. No, yeah, that may make sense. Ano to? Baby bamboos? Parang ganun. Papasahe na lang, di ba binasa eh? Ito pala.
Si ate niya.
Kailangan
Kasi
pa ng
ang anak niya is si Faith tsaka si Hope. Eh kulang pa ng isa, si Charity.
So magiging 6 na anak niya.
Mahabol ka ate din.
Bili namin ito sa Alaminos itong fish na to. Tapos ginawa nilang, tawag dito scabeche ba? Sweet and sour, di ba? Parang gano'n. Ito nga pala guys, si Sitch. Nagagalit siya sa akin kasi hindi ko siya pinagsuklay daw. Kahit nakakamiss yung mga home cooking na ganito.
Pero anong favorite mo, Filipino food? Yung parang kahit every week yun yung ulam niyo.
Ayun lang, di ko, pinaka-paborito kong dami kasi.
Yung parang every week okay lang na yun lagi. Hindi mawawala.
Ano siya, para siyang sisig pero ang tawag sa probinsya namin, kapukan. So, yun.
So pork yun na
Pork yun na parang sisig
mataba.
nga. Oo, na mataba. Okay. Ikaw?
Kahit every week yun, ganun ulam. Parang sinigang.
Sinigang?
Kahit anong klaseng sinigang. Pero mas gusto ko yung baboy na, alam mo parang naghiwala yung taba.
Isa naman, tuna belly. Tsaka ulo. Sarap. Yeah. Puro na kasi, puro baboy din nakakain. Kaya mas maganda sa home cooking, para medyo healthy naman.
Our very beautiful
Thank you, ang bata-bata mo pala. Ay, stop, accommodating my guest. So, maganda naman ang pintasan namin sa cellphone. So, all our guests coming iba sa America. That's where thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Good to meet you, Papa. Nice to meet you.
Francesca Rivera from Calabanaban.
Alright guys, that's a good night. Birthday guy, Ron. Yan. How old are you now? 20. Oh, we're almost the same. I'm 25. Yeah. So that one's like the full sa pinakababa namin, first floor. And then now we're going to the rooftop. Alright, so ito na yung rooftop. Entrance pa lang, ganda na. So, parang Halloween party naman ang gagawin dito. So, may bar area. Guys, so medyo full capacity kami today. So, hindi ko mapakita yung mga inside ng mga rooms. Actually, there's one. Pero, medyo makalat dahil dito ako nag-stay. Next time, we'll do a full vlog para makita nyo yung staycation hotel. So, alam nyo kung saan kayo mag-stay pag nasa San Jose City, Nueva Ecija kayo. Yeah. Frank, yan. Magkukumpit ka ba?
Hindi na po. Si Juan na. May pamilya.
Pero dati kung nagkukumpit ka sa Manila. Si Kuya Walter siya magkukumpit sa atin today.
Hello.
Ikaw kuya, nagkukumpit ka?
Hindi. Ayoko.
Talagang ano lang, pang
Lesson lang, tapos reserve.
Hanapin niyo si Kuya Walter kasi magturo. Talagang titin.
Organic, no chemicals. Chemical yo.
Alright.
Cheers! Ako? Pa dentro?
Centro.
Y pa dentro.
Best tequila in the world. That's the best, they said. It won 4 years straight. So try a sip. It's good.
Okay.
So it's $2,000, guys. This one.
200.
What is that?
They used to.
Oh, it's like a flask.
Cantimplora.
So you put like a tequila on it.
Alcohol or water.
Oh, wow.
Not cream. Ooh, what is that?
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, is this the same one?
Thai and Indian. So like the opposite is like more Thai. So here the lifestyle is like we're just having, being Asian, we can eat anything, anytime. But European, there is always time to eat, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. And now is the time to drink for them. So they're drinking. In the opposite, they're drinking. So I've been drinking like since 12 noon.
So do they sleep? They drink in the morning, and then like at night they still drink.
Yeah.
Sundays they work for like breakfast or birria. We have to wake up early to eat.
So birria is like I can taste like tomato on it, like
Yeah,
there's tomato.
tomato or pepper, fried pepper.
Yan. Pwede ba sinasabi ito goat something para try ko. Grabe. Sinagyan niya ng lime, parang kalasa sa atin yung sinigang.
No, igual le meto. No, yo vivo por
Is birria inside? Birria also?
ahorita. Pero ahí fue el proceso de tiesto, pero hace como 6 años.
Grabe. Wow. Ano siyang ano, yung lechon na pulled pork, pero goat. Ulang-ulang. So, buko na may puset. Ay, shrimp. Ipon. Tingnan natin kung...
Teka lang, bulok lang. Buko ah.
Asim-asim siya ng konti. Akala ko magiging matamis. Parang sinigang. Buko siya. Tapos, kailangan nyo i-try pagka nasa Marinduque kayo. Ulang-ulang. Ayan, si Geraldine, guys. Diba? Diba? Parang si Miss Universe eh. So ngayon, gusto kong mag-gym. So kagabi, may lalaki doon, owner ng gym. Binigyan siya ng passes. So sabi ko, ayos, meron na akong passes for around 5 days. Pero pili ko kasama ka dapat eh, bago makapasok ng libre. Di ba?
Hindi ako pwede umalis.
May nangaharana ba sa'yo dyan?
Subalit sapagkat, yun ang nangaharana. Sapagkat ang aking itay, hindi ako papayagan, Sinta.
Galing, galing. Baka naman, baka ikaw yun, nag-reincarnate ka, no? Naalala mo, minaharana ka pa dyan.
Ito, yun naman baka.
Kaya, kaya kanina kaya ba't
matataas
sila
yung mga
bakit
baka.
nakataas?
There's a lot of candles.
What gift do you want?
I like this. What is
Happy birthday.
Wait, there's no candle, there's no fire yet. Wow. Is she still a baby?
No.
She's still a baby.
I put 6 candles because it's my birthday.
It's because you're 6?
Yeah.
You're 6? Yeah. Wow.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serenity. Happy birthday to you. That Belgium is known for is the chocolates.
And we also have a torture museum.
Whoa.
Yeah, and your hands. You gotta lock your hands in.
Oh.
Careful, otherwise I'll keep it closed. Does it fit? There we go.
Yeah. Okay.
Cheers.
Wow. All right.
So did Geraldine tell you that the Belgian way to eat mussels is that you use one?
Yeah.
It's like a little utensil and then you just take it out like this.
Yeah, she did. Like, cause it's funny. Like, as soon as I got here, she cooked mussels. Yeah, but it was like more a Filipino like way of cooking it. Here, try some of the fish.
I'll just eat it with yours.
Yeah. Let's go to some. There is bones. So be careful.
It's good to eat something fresh, huh?